Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So these are the energies between you and your person. On one side will be your cards and on the other side will be the cards of the person you're thinking of. Okay, yeah, you can swap the characters as the situation resonates with you, and then there will be the outcome. And as they are general energies, they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. In that case, you can check your moon sign and the name sign. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let's see what are the energies for Aries. Okay, King of Pentacles, energies of a person, the Knight of Wands, outcome, the Queen of Swords. Okay, so according to this, what I feel is that you are in a pretty good position, quite stable, quite strong, quite knowledgeable and mature. You are financially stable and you have things under your control. Okay, so you are in control of yourself and perhaps you have the control of the situation also in your hand. So what I am getting here is that the relationship is you are perhaps the person who is in control of the relationship or taking control of the relationship. It can be that you are not even showing your feelings too much to the other person or not giving in much to the relationship. But whatever it is, I'm not saying that you don't love that person or you don't have feelings for that person. What I'm trying to say is that you are at least behaving in a very mature and a controlled manner with having things under your control. Okay, and here with the Knight of Wands, what I feel is that your partner is very passionate about you. This person just wants to rush in towards you very passionately, and perhaps even they are doing so. At least that is what they want to do. Okay, so it is just they just don't even think twice. It's just sort of madness in love sort of a thing. They just want to have you, and they are very passionate, very passionate about you. Okay, so this is the energy of your partner, and this is the mutual energy or the outcome, whatever it is, whatever you take it as according to your situation. But yes, this is the energy in which what I feel here is that this is the energy in which things are very sort of guarded. Okay, at least you are showing detached. Okay, so what I'm getting here is that this is because that this person is acting very controlled and this is wants to rush in, but perhaps they are not rushing in. So the mutual energy or the outcome as for now is that you are behaving very guarded, very detached, at least just showing that you are also not bothered about the situation and not showing your feelings much. Okay, so this is the outcome of the situation. So obviously this is the outcome or the mutual energy. So let's take the clarifiers for the King of Pentacles. So why is the King of Pentacles here for? The Star, the Nine of Swords, and then Six of Cups. Okay, so what I am getting here is that see, this person, whosoever this side is, according to me, I'm taking this as your energy. So with the King of Pentacles, the Star and the Nine of Swords and the Six of Cups, what I'm getting here is that this person does take you as their wish come true. They are happy to have you, even if they are not showing it. They are really very happy to be in you, to be at least that you are the part of their life. Okay, so they are happy with you. At least they want you to be there. That is there for sure. Okay, and with the Six of Cups here and with the Nine of Swords, what I feel is they do have an anxiety. They have some memory, something which is troubling them. Perhaps they have, it can be something related to the past. Maybe this past can be of this relationship or some other relationship that I'm not sure of, that you will have to see in your situation. But yes, there is some anxiety, some maybe some past memory, something which has hurt them in the past. So perhaps that is something which still troubles them, and that is the reason that they do not show their feelings, or they are not as verbal or open in their feelings, showing their feelings towards you. Okay, so that's what I feel. It can be some tension or the bad past experience. Though they are happy to have you, it's not that they are not. They see you as their dream fulfilled or their wish fulfilled. So you are sort of a star in their life. It's not that, but something is definitely there. So I think you should just give them that time, whatever they need to open up. So let's see, why is this Knight of Wands for in your partner's energy? The Eight of Pentacles, the Justice, and the Four of Cups. So here what I feel is that this person has been really working very, very hard to get your attention or to make this relationship work. Okay, perhaps there was a point in time when this person was reluctant in accepting this situation, perhaps, and then some sort of truth perhaps came out, or they realized some truth, or they balanced some situation, whatever it is, and they have really worked hard to manifest it. And now, since they have with the Justice card, some sort of truth has dawned to them. Now this truth can be that somebody has come and told them something, or they have discovered something, or it is from their own gut. Okay, but they have some sort of a realization, some sort of a truth which has come in. Okay, and because of that they've been working very, very, because of that they feel like rushing now. They feel like rushing now towards you. Okay, now this also can be that maybe if this person was at one point in time reluctant in accepting this relationship, and because of something, and then this person has really worked hard also on this relationship. So it can be that they worked hard and at that time you didn't reciprocate, and then they have realized something, some sort of realization has come up, and then they thought of rushing towards you even though they were not accepting it at some point in time, or they had given it up at some point in time. It can be that they worked hard on it, you didn't reciprocate, so they were okay, they also lost interest in pursuing you or following you. And then some sort of a realization has come in, definitely, which is causing them to rush in towards you. Let's see, why is Queen of Swords here for? Okay, we have the Fool, we have the Death, and we have the Seven of Wands. So what I am feeling here is that with the Queen of Swords, that's what I said, there is, everything is very, very guarded, nobody is showing their feelings. Even if they want to rush in, perhaps they are not rushing in. So the mutual energy or the outcome for the entire situation is the Queen of Swords, which is a very cold and a detached behavior and energy over there. But here with the Fool and the Death card, both of them are major cards. What I feel is this is ending and a new beginning. So definitely this situation is ending, and there is a new start with I think you will be deciding to take that leap of faith, because with the Seven of Wands, I think you will be taking a sort of standing your ground, trying to put your since it is coming out over here in the mutual energy, I think you will be discussing, both of you may discuss this situation out and try to sort it out, and try to put your own opinions and your own point of view sort of, and whatever this if it was amongst you, whatever the situation is, this situation will end. And with the Fool, I think you will be beginning again. It is a fresh new beginning over here. Okay, so I think this thing, if it was if this anxiety was because of you in the past, okay, if it was because of you in the past, everything was very good and they were happy to have you, and if it is not a past experience with somebody else, and if it was a fight or a dispute with, or an argument with you perhaps, then if it was that they have stopped showing their feelings, then perhaps both of you will sit together and work on it and try to sort it out, and I think it will be sorted out, and both of you will agree to give it one more chance. Okay, so that's what I'm getting, Aries. Hope it resonates and hope it helps, and that's all I have for you. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.